morning. So this is actually the first time I've driven this car. I mean, I've driven it to the Bellagio. I took it to get gas. Like I put a little bit of miles on it, kind of like, you know, I think, I don't know, 7. But this is the first time I'm actually gonna go on the freeway. Pretty stoked. I had dinner last night with a friend that's got a Veyron, and we were talking hypercars, and he actually had a lot of good things to say about the LaFerrari and wishes that he had one as well. So it kind of gives me a little bit of extra confidence into these cars. I did buy and I love that car, but I kind of feel like this might be a better buy. So I'm gonna keep the for a little bit and wait for the market to cool down a little bit on the hypercars, which in turn the market's gonna go up on, and I should make out pretty good on that car. So do good on enough to kind of overpay a little bit for the LaFerrari, and that means I'm definitely gonna get one of these cars. We got Tony and Jenna in the Aventador, Robbie in the GT3RS, and one of my friends in the Scud.
Just going for a drive, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna go out into the mountain area. It's gonna be pretty nice, just to kind of get away from the city. It's a pretty nice day today. It's not too sunny, clean, like 75 degrees. Vegas in the March, April, it's beautiful.
Moves!
It rips, bro. It rips.
Oh my goodness. Wow, that was insane.
What happened to you guys? Oh. I was looking for you. It's like the perfect balance of like lightweight but like stable. You know, a lot of light cars float a lot. This car is mid-engine. It's super long. It's got a really long presence, and it feels super stable. It just sounds like that. So I think I'm gonna convince my guy Brandon to put a Rift exhaust on this LaFerrari right here. This is it's the only thing it's missing. Just a insane sound, just like that one.
Veyron has a really big wing too.
Big flaps.
Yeah, it's huge.
I gotta hand it to Ferrari. As much as I don't like that company, this is incredible. It's an incredible car. This is the perfect car for me.
You can just take it.
Yeah, like, I mean, not just take it, but it's balanced, right? You can move it around the road. You can kind of like dance it all over the place. You know, if you want to do donuts, you can. If you want to go to the nightclub, you can. If you want to go like on a road trip, you can. Like, it wears all the hats. Similar to the Veyron. This has the same power as the Veyron. I think if this had about 200 more horsepower, top end, it would be a competitor to the Veyron. I think the Veyron is from like 150 plus is faster.
Yeah, it's faster than like almost everything in the world. So
Yeah,
let's not
150
forget that.
plus probably.
Yeah.
It's really amazing to hear that 430 Scud, dude.
Yeah,
It's just, this car should sound like that car. So it's fucking epic, man. It's epic. beyond my favorite hypercar ever made. It's the greatest driving experience I've ever been able to experience. It's the greatest driving experience I've ever been able to experience. It makes you like so focused. And I'm not even pushing it. I cannot explain to you how good this car is. You know, you watch Chris Harris, right? And Chris Harris is like the only automotive journalist that really drives the cars. And like, when I watched Chris Harris drive the P1, I was like blown away. I was like, oh my God, that's like insane. And then I watched him drive the LaFerrari and I felt like, wow, like these are so comparable. And I really feel like this car is miles ahead. You know, the 918, P1 and LaFerrari all came out the same time. And this car is just miles above them. It's way beyond the 918, like way beyond it. The P1 is, I like, because the P1 has turbos too, so it's a pretty cool experience. Like you get a little bit of a crazy sounds with all of the stuff, but this NAV12, I mean, with an exhaust, this is what all cars should aspire to be, all of them. Just an emotional, extremely wicked experience. That's it.